How to fix Wait Are You Human CAPTCHA on Discord. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Wait Are You Human CAPTCHA on Discord. This message on Discord is a CAPTCHA verification used to prevent bots and automated scripts from misusing this platform. If you are encountering this frequently or unable to get past it, then here are some steps you can resolve the issue. First of all, carefully follow the CAPTCHA instructions such as selecting the certain images or checking the box. Also, don't refresh the page while solving this CAPTCHA, as this can cause it to reset or trigger the verification again. Also, ensure that your internet connection is stable, and if possible, you can try connecting to a different network to see if that resolves the issue. If you are using a VPN, then try disabling it temporarily. Also ensure that you are using the latest version of Discord. For that, you can go to the Play Store of your device and tap on the search icon at the bottom right. Then in the search bar here, type in Discord. Then search for it. Here, once you find the Discord app, tap on the app icon to open it. And here, if you found update button, go ahead and tap on the update button to install the latest version of Discord. If you didn't find update button right here, that means your application is already up to date. If the issue still persists, you can also try uninstalling and reinstalling the Discord app to ensure there are no corrupted files. For that, in this page, you need to tap on this uninstall button right here and tap on uninstall to confirm. Now once the application is installed, you need to again tap on this install button to reinstall the application. Also, sometimes this issue might be on Discord's end or due to temporary server problems. You need to wait for a few minutes or hours and try again. So by following the steps, you should be able to resolve the Wait Are You Human CAPTCHA issue on Discord. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.